In today's video, we're going to be talking about my first impressions of the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. Let's jump into it. Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time watching, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. Here I make all kinds of videos about drones, and I've got a lot of videos coming up, especially on this DJI Mavic 3 Pro. So let's jump right into it. I've been flying the DJI Mavic 3 now since it came out at the end of 2021, and it's been a phenomenal drone. I've used it for work. I actually own a media company here in Arizona where I produce videos for real estate professionals and architects. So drones are a big part of what I use when I'm shooting those structures. So the Mavic 3 has been just an absolutely phenomenal drone. Prior to the Mavic 3, I used the DJI Mavic 2 Pro, so it was a no-brainer when this came out to upgrade to this. But now here we are, about a year and a half later, and we have a brand new DJI Mavic 3, the Mavic 3 Pro. So what makes this drone so much different than this one? The Mavic 3 Pro has 3 cameras instead of 2. So when the Mavic 3 shipped, it came with 2 cameras. It has the wide angle camera on the bottom, and then we have a telephoto zoom lens on the top, which allows us to do 7x zoom. Now this 7x zoom did come at a reduced video quality. So the 7x zoom does 4K at 30 frames per second, which obviously gives you less control in post-production. However, with that being said, I still used the telephoto lens a lot because it just adds a different perspective to your video footage. We're all used to that wide angle drone look, and being able to have a telephoto lens to create a different effect has really come a long way. So when I saw that the Mavic 3 Pro had 2 additional telephoto lenses, and the fact that each telephoto lens can shoot 4K at 60 frames per second, it was a no-brainer to me to upgrade to this drone. With the Mavic 3 Pro, we have a Hasselblad camera on the bottom, which is a 4/3 CMOS sensor. Still not a 1-inch sensor, but the output that you get from it is just incredible. It shoots up to 5.1K video, 20 megapixel photos, and it also is capable of shooting DLOG and DLOG M/HLG. So that is actually new. The DLOG M is a new DLOG. Now, to be honest with you guys, I don't really use DLOG. I like the kind of the artificial, fun, colorful look that comes out of the camera as it is without using DLOG. All that extra post-production for me has been really unnecessary. I love the look. My clients love the look. So I just want to get that out of the way. All the footage you see here will probably be just the way that I shoot it with the regular color profile. But now you do have an extra DLOG mode if you are into advanced color grading. On top, we have the 7x telephoto camera, which is a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor. And then we have the brand new medium telephoto camera, which is a 1 1/3 inch CMOS sensor. This does 3x optical zoom. Now, the reason why this is so cool is because before, like I said, we only had the wide angle and the 7x. Now we have the wide angle, the 7x, and the 3x, which will allow us to get really just a wide range of different shots without having to actually replace the camera lens because it's all built into this one camera enclosure. This is absolutely huge because this now opens the door for me to get shots that I couldn't get before with this drone. So really, in terms of the photo taking capability, it's pretty much the same. Really, where the big difference is going to be with these two drones, from what I've found, is the video and having the extra ability to create different looking shots. It really does open the door to new possibilities when filming with the Mavic 3. So guys, that was just my first impressions video on this brand new Mavic 3 Pro. I'm really excited to really jump more into it and use it for work and also for fun, get some really cool shots. The shots you saw in today's video were just kind of near where I live, but I definitely plan on taking this drone to some pretty cool spots to try out this new camera. But yeah, I'm glad to be back here on the channel. I took a little bit of a break, but I definitely plan on uploading more videos, some more YouTube shorts. So definitely stay tuned here. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video.